Some football news now. Relegation threatened Malines United put on a clinical performance against the Spanish Town Police in the rain effort Jamaica Premier League at the Royal Lakes Field on Wednesday. The two started the day in the drop zone, but it was Malines who spun their web in a 9-0 display to jump from the bottom of the table to 12th. It was a game with 9 different scorers starting from the 8th minute to the 87th. Malines are now on 26 points, 1 above Treasure Beach and 2 away from Spanish Town Police. The feature game of the round failed to produce a goal as Portmore United and title holders Cavalier ended 0-0 at Ferdinand Park. Portmore, who are 4th on 52 points, while 6th place Cavalier are 4 points behind. According to Portmore United's coach Rudolph Austin, it's a game where they did everything right except score.
We know how Cavaliers played. We know they're playing a mid-low block, sometime a low block, and then they counter. So we were ready for that. We prepared for that. I think we defended very well. They didn't create many chances, or if any. So in that aspect, I think we did very well. But we just didn't put the ball in the back of the net today.
As for Cavalier, assistant coach David Layla was more than satisfied with the point.
The game plan was to ensure that we didn't give up any goal. That was the main plan. So it worked for us. We were hoping to hit them on the counter and in transition and get a goal from it. But didn't work out for us with that plan. But at the end of the day, we still walk away with a point.
Now, elsewhere on the day, Zane Pinnock scored twice as Chapelton Maroons blanked Treasure Beach 3-0 at Stets. Chapelton are now on 44 points, while Treasure Beach are on 25 points. It ended 0-0 between Dunbeholden and Racing United, who were recording their 14th drawn game in 34 outings. Now, Racing are 3rd on 53 points. Dunbeholden are on 45 points. Meanwhile, at sports time, Arnett Gardens were 1-0 up against the leaders, Montego United, at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Kevon Wilson scoring in the 3rd minute. Trevon Reed netted in the 24th minute his 20th goal of the season as Harbour View. They lead Mount Pleasant FA at Drax Hall, and Waterhouse are leading Tivoli Gardens 1-0 at Drewsland. Kimani Campbell scoring in the 28th minute.